Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the last classes we have discussed that the place value of the decimals numbers. So today we are going to discuss the multiplications of the decimal numbers. In that, see the first one, the multiplication of decimal number by a whole number. See students, as it is in the decimals number by a natural numbers or any whole numbers. So like that only we have to multiply by the decimal numbers. So after that, after the multiplication, we have to put the decimals. How can we put in the decimal point and where have to put in the decimal point related to that depend upon the questions. Okay, let us start the multiplication. First one, multiplications of decimal number by a whole number. One the decimal number and another one is whole number. So how to multiply by one is decimal number and another one is whole number. Let me take one example. For example, 3.5 is one of the decimal number into we should multiply by whole number, that is 4. So 3.5 one of the decimal number and 4 is the another whole number. So multiplications of decimal number by a whole number. So very simple students. We have to multiply that as it is in how to multiply the natural number or any whole number like that only we have to multiply. See, first of all, the point is that you should leave it the point. If you leave the point, how much become it is 35. Is it right? So it is equal to 4 into 4. That 35 we should multiply by 4. After that you have to put the decimal point. Let us start. So first 4 into 5. 4 5 is how much? 20. Carry 2. That carry should go forward to the next number. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 12 plus 2 14. So after that, point after how many digit is there? So 1 digit is there. After that, so you should leave the 1 digit from the right side. After we can put the point. So here 1 digit, then you have to put the point. It is 14.0 is nothing but 14. Let me take another example. 3.15 into 7. 23.15 into 7. See students, 7 is the whole number, 23.15 is the decimal number. So as it is, how you are multiply by the natural number or whole number, like that only you have to multiply. Leave it the first one, point, leave it 5. You don't consider the point. If you not consider the point, 2315 is the number, 2350. We should multiply by 7 after we can put the point. Okay, 7 5s are 35. Carry 3. 7 on the 7 plus 3, 10. 10. Carry how much? 1. You should forward to the next digit. So 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. Okay. So 22 means 2. The carry is 2. 7 2 is 14 plus 2, 16. See. Now we can put point now. So where we have to put? So point after how many digits you should count it. So point after 2 digits is there. That's why we can leave the 2 digits from the right side in the product. See, right side is the 2 digit product. So 1, 2, then we can put the point. It becomes 162.05. Okay. Let me take another example. 7.123 into 12. Otherwise 9. We should get 9. Afterwards I will go to the 2 digit number. See, 9 and 7.123 is there. So point leave it as it is. You have to multiply. 9 3s are 27. 7 2 carry. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 2 20. Carry 2. So 9 1s are 9 plus 2 11. 1 carry 1. So 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 1 64. Therefore, now after point after how many digit is there? 1 2 3 digit is there. So we can give the 3 digit from the right side in the given answer. So 1 2 3. Then we can put the point. So that is called as 64.107 or 107. Do you understand, students? Yes. Next one, student. 36.25 into 12. 36.25 into 12. So if you know that 12th table, easily we have to multiply by 12 only. Otherwise, we have to multiply 2 after we have to multiply by 1. Okay. See, first I will start from 2. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Next 2 6s are 12. Carry 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Okay, this is the ones place. Next, this is tens place. So then we have to multiply one time. One have to multiply whole 36.25. First we have to multiply by 2 and then we have to multiply by 1. So then 1 it is in the tens place. That's why I will start here also tens place only. This is ones place. You leave it the one place. Then you have to start the tens place. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. You should repeat the carry. 1 2s are 2. 1 6s are 6. And 1 2 3s are 3. Now we should add it. So how much become? 0. 5 plus 5 10. So carry how much? 1. So 2 plus 2 plus 4 4 plus 1 5. No carry. 6 plus 7 13. 3 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4. Now after that, so we can put the point in the product. Point after how many digit is there? 2 digit. That's why we can put the 2 digit from the right side. Now 435.00 is the answer. If you know the 12 table only have to multiply directly. Otherwise, 2 you have to multiply first and 1 have to multiply next. Then you should add it. Understood? So like this, we have to multiply by the whole number, sorry, decimal number by a whole number. Are you understood? Yes. So shall we go to the next one? What is the next question? Multiplication of decimal number by a decimal number. See students, so first we have to multiply by decimal number by a whole number. Now decimal number by a decimal, both are decimal numbers. How can we multiply? See, for example, 7.21 into 1.5 is there. 7.21 and 1.5. Okay. See, in this, so leave it the point. In the both sides, you should leave the point. So if you leave this point, how much becomes 721? If you leave this point, 15. So now 15 you should multiply by 721. Then we can put the point. Until you don't put the point. Okay. If first you don't consider that. So first we have to multiply by 5 and then 1. If you know the 15 table, directly you should multiply by 15. Okay. I will multiply 5 after 1. So 5 ones are 5, no carry. 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 carry. 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 36. So next, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 carry. 5 7s are 35 plus 36. 5 over. Next, 1 you have to multiply. 1 1s are 1. 1 it is in tens place. That's why you can start from the tens place. It is 1 place. This is tens place. 1 into 1, 1. So 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 7, 7. Now we should add it. So 5 as it is right on. Then 0 plus 1, 1. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 3, 10. After that, see, count it. After that, in the first decimal number, so point after how many digit is there? So 2 digit is there. Here, point after how many digit is there? 1 digit. Here 2 digit, here 1 digit. Total how much digit? You should add it. So here 2, it is 1. It is become 3 digit. That's why we can leave the 3 digit from after we can put the point. So 1, 2, 3. We should leave it after put the point. So 10.815 is the answer. Do you understood? So ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 8.421 into 0.6 See student, so 8.421 into 0.6 is there. So leave the point as it is. You have to multiply by 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Carry 1. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. 2 carry. 6 8s are 20. Sorry, 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 2 50. Okay. Now if you next 0. If you multiply 0 anything by 0. So if you are multiply by 0, if anything multiply with 0, the answer should be a 0. You need not to multiply by 0. That's why after that So point after how many digits is there? 1, 2, 3. Here 1, here 3, here 1. Total how much become? 4. Now we can leave the 4 digits from the right side in the given product. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can put the point. It becomes 5.0526 is the product. Do you understand? So next 37.12 into 0.13 is there. 37.12 into 0.13 is there. See students, here point leave it, here also leave it the point. So this unit place, start from unit place. So 3 into 2, first you have to multiply by 3 and then 1, after that 0. Okay. Next 3, you have to multiply 3. 3 2s are 6, no carry. 3 1s are 3, no carry. 3 7s are 21, 1, 2 carry. So 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. Okay. So next, we should multiply by 1. Next, 1 into 2, 2. This is 1, it is in which place? Tens place. If you leave the point, if you are not considering the point, 1 it is in tens place. If you are considering the point, the 1 it is 10th place. Do you understand? But here I will not consider the point beginning. After that I will consider them. So 1 you have to multiply. 1 it is in the tens place. That's why I will start from tens place. This is 1 place. You have to leave it. So 1 into 2, 2. 1 1s are 1. 1 7s are 7. 1 3s are 3. Next, 0. You should multiply by 0. Anything multiplied by 0, the answer should be a 0. That's why you need not to multiply by 0. Okay. So you should add it now. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. Now, after how many digits is there? 2 digits. Here also 2 digits. So 2 digits, how much become? 4 digits. You should leave the 4 digits from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put the point. So that become 4.8256. 4.8256 is the final answer. Do you understand? So like this, you have to multiply by decimal number by a decimal number. Okay, students. So next concept: how to multiply multiplications of decimal number by a 10, 100, 1000, etc. So like this, if you are multiply only 10, 100, 1000, after 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, like that. So like that, if you are multiply, very easy to multiplication. So I will take one example. See, 3.52 into 10. I will multiply first 10. 3.52 into 10 is there. Very simple, students. When you are multiplying by 10, 100, 1000, etc. So like this, if you are multiplying the multiplication of this number, very simple. The point is shifted to the right side. The point is shifted to the right side. So how many digits it shifting? It says that the number of zeros. How many number of zeros in the multiplicand? It is only 1 0. That's why the point is shifted to 1 digit only. The point is shifted to 1 digit. The point it will come here only. 352 you have to write as it is. 352 as it is you should write out first. After that the point is shifted. See, this number only you should write it. Okay. The point is shifted to the right side. When you are multiplying by 10. If you are multiplying by 10, the point is shifted to the 1 digit only. It is forward to shifting the forward. That's why. So point is come to the 5 and 2 in between 5 and 2. 5 and 2 in between where is that? Here. So that becomes 35.2. So like that only. See, 3.753 into 10 is there. 3.753 into 10 is there. Here also the point is shifted. Same. This number only. Leave the point. It should as it is. How many digits are there? Which digit is there? As it is right on. So 3753 as it is right on. After that, here point is there. How many digit is shifting? Only 1 digit is shifting because of here only 1 0. That's why the point is shifted to 1 digit. Therefore, point is come in between 7 and 5. Where it is 7 and 5? Here. So point we can put in between the 7 and 5. Therefore, the answer becomes 37.53. So one more example. 0.02 into 10 is there. 0.02 into 10. See students, in that very simple 002 have to write as it is. Okay, the point how many 0 are there? 1 0. Therefore, one digit you should leave it forward to the next digit. The point is comes under in between 0 to and 2, and 0 and 2 in between is there. So double 0 is there, nothing will happen. Only 1 0 have to leave it. So 0.2 is the final answer. You understood? So like this you have to multiply. So another example. Fourth one. 3.1 into 10. 3.1 into 10. See students, in that, so 31 as it is written on. First, the point is shift to the next digit, only one digit, because of only 1 0 is there. That's why one digit we can put. The point is come to here. So after that, nothing is there, means what is there? 0 is there. How many 0? Infinite number of 0. If you not write this, nothing will happen. So 31 is the answer. So 31.0. Otherwise 31, no problem. Both are same. So I understood. So next one, 7.253 into 100. I will come to the 100. See, here only 1 0 is there. That's why I will send to the only one digit. I will shift to one digit. But here, how many 0 are there? 2 0. That's why the point is shift to 2 digit of to the forward. See, first of all, what is the step? First step. So leave the point as it is. Have to write down the digit 7253. Okay. Now, how many 0 is there? 2 0. That's why we can shift that 2 digit. So 1 2 here, 1 2, come to the here. The point is goes to in between 5 and 3. Where it is 5 and 3 here. So that's why it becomes 725.3. 725.3. That's all. So next 37.1 into 100. 37.1 into 100. So if you come like these problems, very simple students. First, what same procedure, you have to follow the steps. First, leave the digit and as it is right now 371. Okay. Here, how many 0 are there? 2 0. So that's why we can put we can send the 2 digit to the forward. But here only one digit is there, sir. So that's why we can put 1 0. Nothing will happen. If you put the after that point, no, the value does not alter. That's why I will put 0. That's why here also I will put the 0. The point is shift to the 2 digit. Where it is come? 1 0 after. Here 1 0 after where it is there? Here is there. After the nothing is there means 0. Therefore 3710.0 or nothing but 3710 only. Are you understood? Yes. So next student, I will take one more example. See, 382.351 into 100. Like these problems, very simple. 382.351 as it is written. 382.351. So how many digits is there? How many 0 are there in the 100? 2 0. That's why 2 digits we should shift to the next place. So 33, 5 and 1 between. 5 and 1 is there. Here is there. Let's come to the point. So 38,235.1. Are you understood? So next one. 7.2561 into 1000. If you are multiplying by 1000, so here how many 0 are there in the 1000? 3 0. That's why we can put the 3 digit. We can shift to the 3 digit to the forward. So first step, what is the first step? Leave the digit point and then have the digit as it is right on 7, 2, 5, 6 and 1. Now you should put the point. Where it will come the point? The point is goes to after the 3 digit. So 1, 2, 3, then here come. So point is come between 6 and 1. Where it is 6 and 1? Here. So the point is come to here. So 7256.1. Do you understand? So one more example. 82.13 into 1000. 82.13 into 1000. So how you are multiply? Very simple students. First step what? 8213 as it is right now. So how many 0 are there? 3 0. So we can shift that 3 digit. So but here only two digit is there, that's why we can put 10. So here also we can put 10. Now we should shift to the point. So the point is goes to the 0 after, 130 after. So 0 after where it is there, here is there. Nothing is there means what is there here? 0. Therefore 82130.0 is nothing but 82,130. So one more example I will take here. 0.5 into 1000. Okay. 0.5 into 1000. So like this problem, what will happen? See students, first 0.5 as it is right now. So here how many digit 0 are there? 3 0. But here only one digit is there. That's why we can put 2 0. So it becomes 3 digit. So then we should shift to the point. So here also 2 0 have to write down. After that we can put the point. Nothing is there in 0. So it's nothing but 500.0. 500.0 is nothing but 500. You understood? So like this we have to multiplications by a decimal number by a 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 etc. Okay students? Yes. Next one. Yes, we can go to directly exercise 2.6 according to the multiplications of decimals numbers exercise is there. So I will show already all the type of questions. See, find first one 0.2 into 6, second one, third one 2.71 into 5, and sixth one 211.02 into 4 is there. I will take in the first one only 3 questions I will take. In the remaining questions you have to solve in your home. Okay. So now we will take the first question 2.6. First one. What is there? First question number 1. See 0.2 into 6. Already I showed that the example problem 0.2 into 6. Correct? Yes. In that questions, the whole number by a decimal number by a whole number. See 6 2s are 12. Leave the point. 6 2s are 12. Carry 1. 6 into 0. 0 plus 1 1. So okay, point after how many digits is there? Only one digit is there. Therefore 1.2 is the answer. Understood? So next question. Third one 2.71 into 5. 2.71 into 5. In that question, same question, leave the point, then as it is you have to multiply. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 3 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 30. Point after how many digits is there? 2 digits. That's why we can put the 2 digit after the point from the right side. So next student, third one over, and then sixth one I will take 211 point. What is the number? 211.02 into 4. 02 into 4. See, same procedure. 4 2s are 8. 4 into 0, 0. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. And 4 2s are 8. After how many? Point after how many digits is there? 2 digits. That's why 2 digits to the point. And 844.08. So like this, the first one is there. The remaining questions you have to solve in your home. Okay. The next second one, I will go to the second one. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and the breadth is 3 centimeter. See, we know that what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle. This is second one. Okay, second one question. Second one. So what is the area of rectangle? It is equal to L into B. L means length, B means breadth. What is the length of the rectangle? So 5.7 centimeter. Yes, 5.7 centimeter into what is the breadth? Breadth is 3 centimeter. Okay, now we have to multiply that. 3 sevens are 21, 2 carry, 3 sevens are 21, 2 carry, 3 fives are 15, 15 plus 2, 17. 3 sevens are 21, 2 carry, 3 fives are 15 plus 2, 17. Point after how many digits is there? 1 digit. That's why we can put the 1 digit after the 1 digit. Now it becomes 17.1 centimeter square. This is the unit of the area of rectangle. So 17.1 centimeter square. This is the second one. So like that, third one is there. Find 1.3 into 10, 0.9 into 100, 0.03 into 1000. So like as it is in the the last one. So how can we multiply by decimal number by 10, 100, 1000 like etc. I will show one more example. Third one, first question. 1.3 into 10. 1.3 into 10. It is equal to. So 1.3, leave the point. How much become? 13. Now we shift to the point, how many digits we can put shift the point? Only one digit, because of only 1 0 is there. That's why the point is goes to 30 after 13. 3 after nothing is there means 0. So the answer becomes 13.0. So like that, 11th question, 0.9 into 100. 0.9 into 100. Yes. Now same 9 as it is right on. 9 as it is, leave the 0. 9 as it is right on. The point is shift to the how many digit? 2 digit, because of how many 0 are there? 2 0. That's why nothing is there means 1 is there. But here having only 1 digit, we want 2 digit. That's why we can put 1 0. It become 2 digit. Now shift to the point. The point is goes here also to 0. Then your point come to the 90.0. The answer is 90 or 90.0. Both are same. The last question, 12th question, 0.03 into 1000. 0.03 into 1000. In that question, students, see 0.03 here 1000 is there. 1000 having a 3 digit 0. That's why we can shift the 3 digit. So, but here only 2 digit is there. That's why we can put 1 0. So, however, 030 right here. So next point is come to the after this 0. So we can put 0 here. So it is nothing but 030 is nothing but what? 30. 30.0 is nothing but what? 30. 90.0 is nothing but what? 90. Now 13.0 is nothing but what? 13. Like that. Point after if it is 0 means there is no any value of this 0. That's why 13, 90 and 30. Do you understand? So like this you have to multiply by 10, 100 and 1000. So the next fourth question is there. Fourth main like this only is there. Okay, you have to multiply that. So next fifth, I will come to the fifth question. 2.5 into 0.3. In the remaining questions in your textbook is there, you have to solve in a row. Okay, students? So next. Find 2.5 into 0.3. 2.5 into 0.3. How much? Which main here? Fifth main. Fifth main, first question. 2.5 into 0.3. 2.5 into 0.3. So it is multiplication of decimal by a decimal number. See, leave the digit, leave the point, then as it is you have to multiply that. So first 3 you have to multiply. 3 into 5, 15. 3 5 is 15, carry 1. 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. 7. After you have to multiply by 0. But 0 if you are multiplying anything by 0 is 0. That's why you need not to multiplication by 0. That's why. Point after how many digit is there? 1 digit. Here also 1 digit. So after how many? 1 plus 1, 2 digit. So after 2 digit we can put the point. 1, 2. Now we can put the point here. After that nothing is there means here 0 is there. Okay. So the answer will become 0.75. Have you understood? So like that second question and second one. Fourth question. So what is that? 1.3 into 3.1. 1.3 into 3.1. Yes. Here students, leave the point. Here also point. As it is you have to multiply that. First we have to multiply by 1. After that multiply by 3. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 1, 1. Next 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 ones are 3. Now we should add it. 3, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Now point after how many digit is there? 1 digit, here also 1 digit, it becomes 2 digit. Therefore, leave the 2 digit from the right side, then we can put the point. Therefore, 4.03 is the answer. The next, sixth question, the last question I will show you. 11.2 into 0.15. 0.15. See students, first we have to multiply by 5, after that 1, after that 0. Yes? 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Carry 1. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. After 5 ones are 5. 5 into 2, 10. Carry 1. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. And 5 ones are 5. After that 1. 1 it is in unit tens place. That's why leave the first digit. We have to start from tens place. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. So next 0. If you are multiply by 0, the answer should be a 0. That's why you need not to multiply by 0. Next, we should add it. 0, 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 as it is. So here point after how many digit is there? 1 digit. Here how many digit is there? 2 digit. 2 2 here 1, how much total? 3. So that's why 1, 2, 3 digit put the point. After 3 digit put the point. 1.680 is the final answer. Okay students, in the fifth main, so there are so many questions are there in the main, so you have to solve in your home. Okay, first main, third main and fifth main is there. So many questions are there in your textbook. You have to try to solve the questions. Okay students, in this exercise will be completed students. Yes, in the next class students, we have to discussing that decimals number by divisions of a decimal numbers. Okay students, yes, thank you.